Right now, as you're watching this video, your body is performing thousands of tiny miracles. Your heart is beating without you telling it to, your lungs are breathing automatically, and most amazingly, cuts are healing, bruises are fading, and damaged cells are being replaced. Have you ever wondered how your body knows exactly what to do when you get injured? Today, we're going to explore the incredible world of your body's automatic healing system. Let's start with something we've all experienced, getting a cut. Your body doesn't panic, it doesn't wait for instructions from your brain, it immediately launches into action like a well-trained emergency response team. The first responders to arrive at the scene are your blood platelets. Think of platelets as tiny construction workers carrying bags of cement. While the platelets are busy stopping the bleeding, your body releases special proteins called clotting factors. These work like a spider spinning a web, creating thin threads called fibrin that weave through the platelet plug. Now, while this emergency response is happening on the surface, your immune system has detected the injury and is sending in the cleanup crew. These cells can actually tell the difference between your own healthy tissue and foreign invaders. Some white blood cells, called neutrophils, are like the first wave of soldiers in a battle. Your body doesn't just clean up the mess and call it a day. New skin cells begin to multiply and migrate toward the wound. Your body knows that the new tissue will need oxygen and nutrients to survive, so it creates a network of tiny blood vessels. Every day, your body is dealing with damage you can't even see. Fortunately, your cells have built-in proofreaders that scan your DNA constantly, looking for mistakes. Your bones are constantly healing themselves too, even when they're not broken. Your muscles have their own incredible healing abilities. Even your brain has healing mechanisms. Your liver can regenerate up to 75% of its tissue if it's damaged. Throughout all of these healing processes, your body maintains perfect communication between different systems. The most amazing part is that all of this happens automatically. If you found this journey through your body's healing mechanisms fascinating, give this video a thumbs up. Remember, you are walking around in the most sophisticated self-healing system ever created.